You're not there yet.
What will after the helicopter?
He said, what comes after?
Some of your games.
When could I live in
Is
my
Calvin over there? I talked to him about that. Calvin! Calvin! He's talking. Go over there and get his attention.
When will I
Somebody
be?
else. Calvin.
Kaylee's getting him.
He's talking to some lady. I don't think you can see her, but she's on the ground.
Here, will you hold this? I'll help you.
They're off and running.
All right, buddy. Here we go. We'll get you up in the chair now because it's up higher.
Watch his head.
There you go. Here we are. All right. Look at you. You're the Louisville police. You're in the police helicopter. Woo. Kaylee, go over there and get up in there with him. Don't carry that because I can't. What is that, buddy?
Velvet ball.
Can you feel of the ceiling?
Colton.
There it is.
Colton.
Okay, look right here. There it's rounded. And here's the steering wheel. Oh, maybe you shouldn't touch it too much, but there you are. And there's all the controls and stuff. Can't push any buttons. That's how you fly it. Okay, Kaylee, help him get over there in that seat.
What seat?
In the other seat, because we're going to go down on the other side.
What fly?
Around the other side, and I'll go over there and help him. She's going to help him across.
He can go out this side.
Oh, wait just a minute, I'm sorry.
And you can come down this side.
Johnson, that's with the
Kaylee's going to help you over to that seat.
Will it fly?
No, it won't fly with you, buddy.
How will it go?
Well, it's not going to go. It's just for you to get to sit in it and see it.
You could have brought him out the other side.
Oh, it's okay. No, it's all right. He'll get the whole effect of it this way.
Okay.
All right. Here, hold this for me.
Okay, wait just a minute.
Here you go, buddy. We're going to get you down onto the steps.
Oh, it's fine, honey. You got it?
Now we're on the steps to go down. So, you come down like you do the steps of the house.
Remain sit. That's the lane closer to the ground.
Good job.
When could I live into
We got a
the
full race here.
And a little bit. Yay, Coltons!